Hi, I'm Pam, co-founder of MoneyPrep, an educational technology company that teaches real-world life skills to kids, specifically financial literacy. Everyone needs to learn how to manage money properly, and the earlier you start, the better.
Here are my top 5 tips for helping your kids to thrive and excel in today's learning environment. Number 1 is pretty simple. Just listen. Listen to them and encourage them to listen to others. True resilience comes from 50% grit to get through it and 50% understanding. Number 2, talk to your kids about what's happening in the world for everyone. Don't sugarcoat it. Watch the news, listen to the radio, read the newspapers, look at current events and discuss them. The more that they can see the world from other perspectives, the better. Number 3 is practice problem solving with your kids. Start with small things that have little consequences, like what should we have for dinner when everyone wants something different. The more they practice problem solving in the real world, the more it will translate to every environment they go into. Number 4, kids like routines. Planning, scheduling, organizing, all helps them stay focused on the bigger picture. Get out a calendar, mark down your events, your activities, your homework due dates. This all helps them understand and stay focused on there's always tomorrow and don't get too wrapped up in today. And number 5, help your kids to prepare for the future. When they have a feeling of being safe and prepared, it gives them the confidence to face those everyday blips that will inevitably arise. Help them to start an emergency savings fund. Save for the unknowns. That will give them the internal security and peace of mind to continue on and face every challenge that comes.